The surprising news has stirred a great deal of emotion and concern among the public as the British royal palace issued an emergency statement regarding the health status of Duchess Catherine. Accordingly, the royal palace released the latest update on the Duchess's health condition, causing many to closely follow the developments. The story began when unusual signs about the Duchess's health were noticed in recent days. Initially, the information was kept confidential, but as the situation grew more serious, the royal family was compelled to make an official announcement. This drew attention not only from the people of the UK but also worldwide, as Catherine is one of the most important and beloved figures in the royal family. Notably, amid this emergency, King Charles made a highly unexpected decision that completely altered the previously planned course of action. Usually, health issues concerning royal family members are handled with great caution and discretion. However, this time, transparency and promptness in response were elevated to the highest level to ensure timely and accurate information was shared. According to sources from the palace, Duchess Catherine faced a serious health condition that required immediate medical intervention. Immediately, King Charles convened advisors and the royal medical team to discuss the best plan to protect the Duchess's health. In this meeting, King Charles made an unprecedented decision to temporarily delegate royal duties to another family member. This decision created a huge surprise because, previously, King Charles personally attended or directed important royal events. This change was not only to allow Duchess Catherine to focus on her treatment but also to ensure that royal affairs were not disrupted. Meanwhile, detailed information about the Duchess's health remains confidential, but doctors confirm that she is receiving the best possible medical care. Additionally, strict preventive measures have been applied to avoid any risks of infection or unwanted complications. People and fans around the world quickly send well wishes and prayers for the Duchess's speedy recovery. On social media, many supportive hashtags and shared updates about Catherine's condition quickly became trending topics. Moreover, royal experts offered various analyses regarding the impact of King Charles's unexpected decision on the royal family's image and activities. Some opinions suggested that the transparency and swift response this time would help strengthen public trust in the monarchy. However, there were also concerns about the pressure King Charles and the family are facing during this sensitive time. Alongside this, the presence of media with reporters stationed outside the palace increased the tension for the royal family. It is known that in the coming days, King Charles will closely monitor the Duchess's health and make further decisions depending on the progress of her condition. Upcoming royal events have also been reviewed to ensure they do not interfere with the treatment process. Support and cooperation from other royal family members are important factors helping King Charles remain steady in making difficult decisions. Notably, Duchess Catherine has always been a beloved role model due to her friendliness, dedication, and positive contributions to the community. Therefore, her health is not only a matter of personal concern for the royal family but also deeply cared for by society at large. Historically, similar cases have occurred within the British monarchy, but the handling this time reflects a change in approach to information management. This reflects a modernization trend in royal operations to better suit the digital media era and the public's demand for openness. Moreover, King Charles's decision carries symbolic meaning about his responsibility and affection for his family, especially during tough times. His decisiveness and compassion have helped maintain public confidence in his leadership role. Currently, all eyes are on the palace with hopes for positive news to be announced soon. The public eagerly awaits Duchess Catherine's full recovery and her return to normal duties. Meanwhile, silence and patience are encouraged to respect the privacy of the royal family. At the same time, health experts emphasize the importance of caring for both physical and mental health of royal members. Support from the community and fans is a tremendous source of encouragement for the Duchess and her family to overcome this challenging period. This event clearly shows the deep connection between the royal family and the public. It also reveals stories about the people behind the crown, where family love and mutual care are paramount. In the future, following further developments will be crucial to better understand the long-term impact of this event on the British monarchy. Despite difficulties and challenges, faith and hope remain the guiding light for everyone. King Charles's unexpected decision, paired with the emergency update on Catherine's health status, reveals a side of the royal family that many rarely see, one of vulnerability, quick adaptation, and deep familial love. It reminds us that behind the grandeur and traditions, there are real people facing real challenges. As this story unfolds, it will surely continue to capture the attention and hearts of people around the world. In the meantime, we can only wish Catherine strength and healing, and hope for brighter days ahead for the British royal family.